So this website, although it's pretty like void of any like pictures to tell you how to identify a Bolete lookalike, has really detailed notes about how to identify the Bolete. And it says it has like the poisonous lookalikes, which what I think is funny about mushrooms is that the poisonous ones always have like names that are pretty clear that they're poisonous. Like the giant puffball is could also be recognized as a destroying angel, and the bullet could also be the devil's bullet, which is kind of funny. Um, and I don't think the devil's bullet won't kill you, but reports tell of severe gastrointestinal reactions. Um, so that's just something to watch out for, and you never know how the mushroom's going to react with your system. For recipes for the bolete mushroom, there's a lot because bolete mushrooms are really popular. They're also known as porcini mushrooms if you can identify that name easier. Um, and this website forage.com has a really good instructions on how to clean them and prepare them after you find them. And also links to buying some if you don't live in an area where you can forage them easily.